are here to celebrate Holiday in the Tray with this nice toy giveaway and just to celebrate the holidays and make sure that we're bringing the Christmas spirit.
With the Sunrise Centers, we're always looking to be in community so that we can serve people where they live.
So we're super excited to be able to see all of our talent that our schools and our children have to showcase. But also we're here in the community giving out resources, letting them know about the things that the district is doing, our Sunrise Centers, but also they get to go home with some toys.
And we cannot wait to see what our kids are going to be receiving today.
With the Sunrise Centers, we're always looking to be in community so that we can serve people where they live. And so we really were excited about being able to come and partner with the Emancipation Park Conservancy, the Houston Parks and Recreation Department. And so our West Orem Sunrise Center has really taken the lead at this event. And we're just excited to be out with community today.
We have great things going on in Sunnyside, Texas.
So for me, growing up in a community like this, it's amazing giving back. It's full circle moments. And so we're so happy that we get the opportunity to do these kind of things, not just for our students and families, but for the community as a whole.